scientist. I'm a research scientist now. I have over 25 years of experience researching. And under the clinical belt, I had a specialty in hematology and microbiology. And honestly, I never thought that I would come back to parasites. I really don't like
You
it.
and me both.
Nobody loves it. It's not a fun job, and you see it. I mean, the things that I see, I can't unsee, right? And so I'm under the microscope pretty much every day. It's really disgusting. They say, it's a dirty job and somebody's got to do it. But back 25 years ago, I never thought, like, I remember myself in college parasitology, and I really never thought that I'd be here. Really.
Well, me too in medical school. And at least you're seeing dirty things under the microscope. I have everybody send me the pictures of their stool samples. It's like,
I have those too.
things, movies of things swimming around in their toilet. It's like, okay, I get it. You're good job. You're getting it out of you.
What's really bad though is that
Yeah.
testing is antiquated, and it hasn't really changed much since I was in the field. And,
Right,
and
I know.
if the laboratory, if you're not looking for something very, very specific, there's really not a test against it, like antibodies for it. I mean, these guys are smart, they're intelligent, they mimic your own immune system. So if you send something into a lab, you're not necessarily going to get a positive back, but I promise you that you have them.
Well, see, that's what I tell people. And I don't even test people before I tell them to start the treatment, because, the only time I can see testing being maybe useful is if you've done this for a couple of years and you still have some problem you can't get rid of and you think it's parasitic, you maybe then test. But the problem is a negative test doesn't mean you don't have a parasite. And you know what I'm most disgusted by as a spine surgeon? I used to do biopsies of spines for tumors. And I absolutely believe tumors are parasite egg sacs. Anyway, but I would biopsy the spine and I would send it over to the pathologist. And now I find out that pathologists were seeing movement in cancer cells and not questioning what it was. They just called it idiopathic movement of cancer cells. And if there's a pathologist out there that disagrees with this, come talk to me. But I have heard this over and over now, and I've seen the pictures, and it's not. It's like MS. We saw those plaques in the brain, plaques in the spinal cord, and we never questioned what was causing the plaques. And then Dr. McDonald, a good pathologist, really looked at this and found 100% of those had parasites in them.